Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 20 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. I'm happy to see you guys. So, like all the days, we're going to go ahead and start off with our morning affirmation. If you would like, I invite you to gently close your eyes. I am inspired by all the things around me. Allow that to sink in. I am inspired by all the things that surround me. We begin with our cleansing inhale and exhale and transition to our 3 ohms. Let's go ahead and get in our easy pose wherever you are. I'm going to put a block underneath me and we can begin. Great, you guys. Okay, so let's start with our cleansing breath. We inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth, making sure we're sitting up straight. We're not leaning forward too much. We're just right over the hips. We inhale through the nose. We inhale. One more, we inhale. Taking our breath back to the normal rhythm. Great, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. If you want to remove that block underneath you, if you're sitting on one. And then from here, we're going to do some shoulder rolls today. So we're going to put the hands on top of the shoulders and then gently taking the shoulders back, making sure that we're just gently warming up the body. If you have any shoulder injuries here, please go with care. Great, we're going to pivot, taking it forward. Really focusing on the breath this morning. Great, from here we're going to do some nice little neck stretches, right? So from here we're going to take our left hand, take it to the opposing side, and then just gently allowing the head to fall, ear to the shoulder. Nothing too intense, just like a gentle little helping hand. And release, taking it to the other side. Right, so really feeling that stretch. In the neck region. And then from here, we're going to take both hands behind the head, clasp the hands, and really opening up that back. Feeling that all throughout this region here in the body, really opening up. And we're going to exhale, nose to chest, really feeling that all the way in the lower back region. And we're going to inhale, expanding, opening up. And exhale, curving the spine, hollowing out the chest. Chin to chest. And we're gonna inhale, opening it back up. And then we're gonna take it back to neutral. Great, you guys. From here, we're gonna take it to tabletop position. Right, so from here, we kind of just stretched out the back a little. We're gonna go ahead and do some balance mobility stuff this morning, right? Making sure the tops of the feet are on the mat. We're gonna take opposite hand, opposite leg out. Really staying strong here in this core. Toe is pointed, fingers are really out wide. And we're gonna take it back in. And from here, we're gonna do the opposite side, right? So opposing arm to leg and take it back in. We're gonna just do a nice little flow, right? Using the breath here, taking it out and coming back in. Taking it out and coming back in. Right, you guys? Let's do 2 more. Taking it out and coming back in. 1 more. And to this other side, coming back down. From here, we're going to just gently rock the hips from side to side, really opening it up. Waking the body up this morning. Just having a good time, you know? From here, we're gonna tuck the toes, gently begin moving your momentum from forward to back, and gently preparing to take it into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. We take it back up, we float those hips back, battling it out, rocking the hips from side to side, saying good morning. Great. From here, we're going to take the feet out wider than the hips. We're going to shorten it up, right? So bring those feet a little closer to the hands. And then from here, we're going to take our right hand to our left ankle, really opening it up here. Breathing in. And release. Now we're going to take our left hand to right ankle, bending the knees if that is more comfortable for you. Right, so really making sure that those fingers are out wide. We have a strong base. And release, taking it 1 more time. Right hand, left ankle. Again, bending the knees if you need to. There's no right or wrong pose here, right? It's whatever is best for your body. And gently release, taking it to the other side. We inhale. And exhale, release, walking the feet to the hands, taking it to a forward fold. We're going to bend the knees here, allowing the chest to come to the thighs if we can, and then just gently allow the neck to hang. If you would like, you can clasp the elbows here. If you feel pretty comfortable and you're like, girl, I can go, then you can just allow the knees to go out straight, but I would highly suggest just keeping a nice little micro bend in those knees since we are doing this first thing in the morning. Maybe gently allowing the neck to move from side to side. Here saying no, right? Doing the motion of no. Then maybe doing the motion of yes, right? And coming back saying no, moving it from left to right. And then saying yes, moving the chin up and down. Beautiful. We're going to unclasp the elbows. We're going to walk it back to downward facing dog. From here, pedaling it out. Great, we're going to drop it down to the knees, right? Chin and chest. Take it into a nice little baby cobra. Tops of the feet on the mat. Glancing up, nothing too crazy here. Head falls back down to the mat. We're gonna flip over here, laying on our backs. Beautiful. We're gonna take the feet out wider than the hips. We're gonna just gently allow the knees to fall to the mat in kind of a windshield wiper motion, right? So an internal and external a rotation, right? So we inhale, bringing the knees back up, and we exhale, windshield wipering the knees back down. We inhale, coming back up, knees come up. Exhale, taking the knees down. We inhale, coming back up. And exhale, knees fall to the left. We inhale, knees come back up. Sacrum is on the mat. We're going to exhale, allow the hands to fall to the sides of the body. And dropping the feet out in front, laying all the way in Savasana or corpse pose. Finding your breath here. Preparing for the day. And whenever you're ready, gently bring the knees to the chest, hugging the knees here, and gently roll over to your right side. Use your hands to come back up to easy pose. I encourage you to keep your eyes closed in this moment. Once there, we inhale, bringing the hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste. Thank you all so much for practicing with me for day 20. I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow. You're all doing so wonderful. And again, always remember, if you missed a few days, don't even worry about it. It happens to the best of us, right? Some days I don't do yoga and I'm like, ooh, but I know I shouldn't feel guilty about it. It's just something that happens in life. So, I love you all so much. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Be like, hey, this is what I'm doing. Do it with me. So thanks you guys so much. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Ciao.